Alright, we're going to ojmerge. All day again, today, Jay is not here, but as me and you guys spoke about this Nigerian, well, I wouldn't even say Nigerian, I'm going to say some African egusi. So today, let's see if I can show you this. Let me get this thing out. Shake off all of the juice off it. Well, not juice, this is actually gravy. I don't know why I'm saying juice. So today, we're going to try some egusi stew. And as you know, you can't have the egusi stew without, have your fufu on deck. So this are the fufu. And we have the egusi stew. I'm kind of going to look a close-up shot at that. So it's egusi. And we have fufu on deck. So we'll give this a nice little try. Nice little shot. And we're going to just hold a vibe. Let's straighten this up. We're going to hold a vibe, but we're going to talk why, we'll try some of this. So we're going again, ojmerge. Everything alright? How we doing? We're doing pretty good? How's the ladies out there? How's the dating life? Dating life good? I hope so. How the interracial couple them? The girl them, they will have the Jamaican man them at the end of the day. Find them little Jamaican booting and a whole of vibe. Everything good? I want everything for good, But my camera like it crooked a little bit. Alright. Yeah. So for all of my people, we know how the thing work already. You know the thing go already. And we're there. Try this. This egusi stew and this fufu, This come with all type of meat tonight. Come with a good old roast beef. Wow, this hot and ras, boy. Okay. Yeah, man, I'm good. I always enjoy some egusi stew. It's my favorite thing to get from the African restaurant because it flavor nice, the meat well cooked, it's always hot. When I say hot, man, hot. My type of thing this. So how the dating life come on? Oh, come on, let me tell you. Everything alright? How the relationship them? I want to give me some update sometime, When you get underneath the comment section, give some update. Some update, let me know what I go on. And even if you're in an interracial relationship or an intercultural relationship, sometimes let me know how your regular relationship go. Let me know how it go, how it work out, how life, how everything I go. Right now, Jay and Kingston, them gone on the road. Kingston had a play date today, so them gonna do them thing. So that leave me at the cabin, getting into some African food, which is always a beautiful thing. I love it when Jay's here, but if she's not here, try to make the best of it regardless. I just one of them things there. So, yeah man, give me some update. Make sure to take a watch on the Jamaican trip. We just got Jamaica, go all a vibe. Now Runaway Bay. We got Runaway Bay. And Runaway Bay down at Jamaica, they did nice, man. Nah, live it. If you never take a trip to Jamaica, guys, you have to take a trip to Jamaica. It was beautiful. We enjoy ourselves. Everything did nice down my yard. The family had a good time. And it's always a joy, you know, to take the wife to Jamaica and make her enjoy the country, you know. I think it's every couple point of Jew that are not from the United States or from a different country. If they're with somebody else from somewhere else, take them home to their country and let them see what's going on, you know, let them enjoy the weather, let them enjoy the culture. You have to bask in it. I tell the wife what I told Jay. So the next trip have to be the Kenya, Ghana, Lagos, you know, one of them places, because love the African culture, love the African food. And I'm gonna be honest, sometimes you look at African food, you're like, man, it looks intimidating, it looks a little scary. Try it. When you talk about flavor, whole heap of flavor, man. Can't believe it. You know, sometimes it might look intimidating, but boy, I tell you, and them get enough food, you get a lot of food. But this is one of my favorite. The egusi stew. You know, that side of fufu, you're good to go. You actually can eat this with rice, you actually can eat this with anything else. You know, rice, probably dumpling, whatever you want. And fufu, so just cassava, you know, then boil it, mash it out nicely, do them thing, put it together, turn out the way it is. But yes, Jay was actually planning a trip for, you know, anyone that wants to go to Jamaica. You know, we're doing something. We're going to take some couples with us. You know, take some couples, take some folks with us. We're going to head to Jamaica. Now, ladies, find you a little boo thing to go with, because I don't think no singles is invited. It's like a couples retreat. So find you a little boo thing and, you know, work on something. And we could go to Jamaica and go whole a vibe. With ojmerge, with J, we're showing a good time. Because my island and my place, fun can done. For the details, you can come in the inbox, send my email, jump in the inbox, and you know, anybody that's serious, you know, you guys can roll with us. You want to know it, go already. So yeah, my apologies, the battery go out for me a while ago. Well, the battery died, that's, you know, so to switch up batteries real quick. But yeah man, if you want to come to Jamaica with O&J, you know, come on, look a little smirky. And a pure fun can done. Pure fun can done. Let me push this back a little bit. Yeah. So a pure fun can done. So just, you know, reach out, make us know, and we schedule the next trip. When the next trip is scheduled, we just roll go to Jamaica and enjoy ourselves. On the beach. Beach vibe, beach settings. You know that go. But yeah man, I tell you now, the egusi stew here, nice. Nice. I've went to a couple of different places and tried. Really disappointed. You know, But my favorite little spot that I go to, they be on point with it. The next thing, a lot of African places, when you buy like egusi stew and a lot of things like that, you get a lot of different mixed meat. Now, you can tell them, hey, I want this type of meat, or I want this type of meat, or I want this type of meat. For me, I just roll with all meat, you know. I just roll with it. You know, you get your roast beef, fish, chicken. You know, more time than put a piece of cow foot in there, you know the thing already. You know, so you have to just enjoy it all the way. Yeah, man. Amazing. But yes, so hit up Joe, hit up Jay, hit up Paul. You know that you email them or that inbox. I'm going to like rundown. When we flying to Jamaica. When we flying to Jamaica, I know you go about it. You know them way there? It's my camera. Don't know why my camera I move so lazy. Okay. Yeah man, just sit you up and make you know what is the motion. You know, or just make a move. But yeah man, so we need you guys, you know, we always reach out to some of the people who normally, you know, some of the folks who normally send us messages and emails, which is a lot. Sometimes we can't get to go through all of them, but we try our best for, you know, answer as much as we can. Try to answer as much as we can because we know, say, you know, when you guys reach out, it's important a lot of the time. Sometimes, you know, it's just too much. So if you message O or you message J and you're gonna get a response, just know that, well, probably it's just a lot that we have to, you know, go through. But yeah man, continue following the channel, you know, continue liking the vids, continue doing what we're doing, but the main objective and the main goal is to meet up, to do this thing face to face, or to take a trip, you know, so we can travel with some of our loyal people who are rock with, you know, ojmerge from day one. So yeah man, or you never know, maybe we'll show something nice tonight too, you know, if when we plan one of these trips. Guys, said again, just stay tuned, you know, keep watching, reach out if you want to take this trip, and it's gonna be an amazing trip, so don't miss it. Well, you know, Jay not there, but it was another amazing, you know, sit down with you guys, you know, eat some egusi stew with some fufu, whole a vibe, and no, so just one of them things there. Alright, so let's say a word. ojmerge out. As a matter of fact, I represent for ojmerge, so OJ not there, but ojmerge, and we out again, you know. Boom.